spending a lot of money on automation, but only going halfway? Are your coolant refilling tasks still manual? Let's calculate how much time is spent on coolant refilling every day. You need to take a bucket to collect the mixed coolant, carry it to the machines, and refill them. Let's see how much time it takes. We can see that it takes about 2 minutes per bucket on average. How much time are you willing to spend on this process? The company we are presenting has already fully implemented automation. There are dozens of machines, yet they still spend significant time manually refilling coolant daily. After discussing their challenges, we provided a comprehensive solution. From the water inlet pipe to the outlet pipe, mixing water and oil together, branch the outlet pipe, and then connect it to each machine. Ask the plumbers to connect the pipes and the electricians to handle the power supply. The outlet pipe should be connected to the control box, which is powered. A liquid level controller can be installed on any machine, whether on open platforms or inside machine enclosures. You can see that each of our machines is equipped with a liquid level controller. It is compatible with any machine and easy to set up. This enables automatic refilling when the water level is too low. This truly achieves automation, reducing the need for manual labor. Simply provide power to the control box, and it can start operating. Let's take a look at the actual application. Connect the control box to the power supply and the outlet pipe. Individually set up the liquid level controller for each machine. It will automatically refill when the liquid level in the tank drops below the set level, and it will automatically stop when the liquid level reaches the high set point. The controller displays the current liquid level height and temperature. Let us watch again. It will automatically stop when the mixed coolant reaches the high set point. This is how we can truly reduce the waste of labor. Shunt has its own control system. It has separate indicator lights to show the status, and a liquid level sensor for the oil barrel. Ensure that your oil barrel still contains coolant. It can also be equipped with a kiln sensor, allows you to monitor the current concentration, temperature, and flow rate of the mixture.